Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to align with the truth of who you are, with the meaning of our existence, with complete authenticity, knowing and trust of our own gifts to share with the world. And we visualize letting go of things that are in our way of this full and complete alignment. And we trust and know and fill ourselves with just this beautiful, joyful anticipation of all the good things coming to us. Enjoy this meditation. Let's drop into our meditation. Pause this video to light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, and when you feel ready, you can turn your outer gaze inward. And we set the intention of choosing love for ourselves in this moment. We choose to connect so deeply with our inner world, with our inner wisdom, with our connection to the spirit minds. We choose to allow love to flow freely through us. And we practice this in our meditation and carry this with us throughout our day or days ahead. Let us take a deep breath into our heart space. As we relax, we become more able to receive. It is through our ability to be at peace, at calm, relaxed, feeling positive, feeling good, that we are able to open and receive, that we are able to actually see what it is we wish to create in our lives here in front of us in the here and now. So we choose to carve out this time during our day to be here, to be still, to be calm, to be one with the spirit mind, to be one with our hearts, to drop into the present moment and relax and rest. We say thank you. Thank you for this opportunity to be here, connecting through a screen in the virtual world. Thank you for showing up to share your gifts, to share you. And let's take a look into how we are sharing us today. Our authentic selves. How are we showing up in the world? What do we choose to offer to the world? What are our unique gifts that we can bring forth as an expression of who we are and who we are meant to be? We know that we are meant to be all that we can be. We are meant to know ourselves so deeply and align with the highest truth of who we are. Feel yourself connected to earth and sky energy. Take several deep breaths at your own pace to align with earth and sky energy, feeling this earth and sky energy channeling through you into you. And we can feel this energy into our hearts, deep into our bone marrow, our bones, our muscles, fibers, tendons, ligaments. We breathe it into our skin, into the space around us, creating a cocoon of love. This cocoon of self-love surrounds us. We bring our attention to the words, the truth of who we are. Let's breathe deeply into the truth of who we are. See these words in your cocoon. Breathe into these words and allow the energy of these words to expand through you, into you, around you. Whether you know, who am I? Who is the truth of who I am? What is my truth? Whether you know that or can answer that or not, it's okay to breathe into that. Allow your feelings to arise as you fully embrace knowing and expressing the truth of who you are. We breathe deeply into the truth of who we are, the truth of who I am. Let your emotions guide you into further clarity of the truth of who you are. Imagine, what does it feel like to be expressing on earth as the truth of who you are? Maybe in your mind's eye, you paint a picture of what that looks like or feels like. What does it feel like to live the truth of who you are? And in our hours and days ahead, we trust that we are aligning fully with the truth of who we are. We are allowing certain people, places, or things to fall to the side to make room for more truth, more alignment, more authenticity, connections that nurture us and lift us. We can visualize this path ahead and see us leaving some things behind, playfully like a child skipping along, just dropping pebbles. I leave some things behind, whatever these things are that are in my way, they're left behind, and I'm skipping along, moving forward, smiling, laughing, enjoying the beauty of the earth. I wonder who will come my way. I wonder what will arrive in my life. And with deep trust, with deep joy, with deep appreciation for the gift of this life, we say thank you. We see ourselves in our mind's eye back to this cocoon, back to our skin, back to our bones, back to the here and now. We choose to stay connected to the spirit mind as we move through our hours and days ahead. And when we forget, we bring ourselves back to deep breaths and feeling ourselves as channels of love on earth. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes, find your way to your journal, take at least 8 minutes or so to write about the truth of who you are. What words wish to move through you today? Many blessings. Namaste. Be well. Much love.